Assalamualaikum students. How are you? Welcome to grade 1 English chapter number 2 at the playground खेल के मैदान में. 3 boys, James, Jim and Sam are in the playground. The tallest boy in the picture is James. Jim is on the swing and Sam is playing. अब मैं इस सबक के बारे में बताती हूँ. जिम और उसके दोस्त खेल के मैदान में थे. वो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले स्कूल से फारिग हुए थे. वो घर जाने से पहले खेल के मैदान में खेलना चाहते थे. ये तीनों लड़के एक ही ब्लॉक में रहते थे. जेम्स सबसे ज्यादा लंबा था. उसने कहा कि वो कैच कैच खेलें. जिम मान गया, लेकिन सैम ने कहा उसे बहुत ज्यादा भागदौड़ पसंद नहीं है. उस पर जिम ने कहा वो झूले ले सकते हैं. वो एक दूसरे से मुकाबला करेंगे. दूसरे दो लड़के मान गए और उन्होंने बारी बारी झूले लिए. वो झूले पर 1 घंटे तक झूलते रहे. ओपन योर बुक, पेज नंबर 10. Let's start reading. At the playground. Jim, Jim. And and. His, his. Friends, friends. Were. At. The. Play, play. Ground, ground. Jim and his friends were at the playground. They. Had. Just. Finished. School, school. They had just finished school. They. Wanted. Play. At. The. Play. Ground. They wanted to play at the playground. Before. Going. Home. They wanted to play at the playground before going home. The. Three. Boys, boys. Lived. On. The. Same. Block. The 3 boys lived on the same block. Urdu translation. Jim and his friends were at the playground. Jim और उसके दोस्त खेल के मैदान में थे. They had just finished school. वो अभी थोड़ी देर पहले स्कूल से फारिग हुए थे. They wanted to play at the playground before going home. वो घर जाने से पहले खेल के मैदान में खेलना चाहते थे. The 3 boys lived on the same block. ये तीनों लड़के एक ही ब्लॉक में रहते थे. James. Was. The. Tallest. James was the tallest. He. Said. That. They. Should. Play. catch. He said that they should play catch. Jim, Jim. Agreed, agreed. Put, but. Sam, Sam. Said, said. That, that. He. Did, did. Not, not. Like, like. Running, running. Around, around. TOO, MUCH, much. Sam said that he did not like running around too much. Urdu translation. James was the tallest. James सबसे ज़्यादा लंबा था. He said that they should play catch. उसने कहा कि वो कैच खेलें. Jim agreed. Jim मान गया. But Sam said that he did not like running around too much. लेकिन सैम ने कहा कि उसे बहुत ज़्यादा भागदौड़ पसंद नहीं है. Jim, Jim. THEN, then. SAID, said. THEY, they. COULD, could. PLAY, play. on. THE, the. SWING, swing. Jim then said they could play on the swing. THEY, they. WOULD, would. COMPETE, compete. WITH, with. EACH, each. OTHER, other. They would compete with each other. THE, the. OTHER, other. TWO, two. BOYS, boys. AGREED, agreed. The other two boys agreed. AND, and. THEY, they. TOOK, took. TURNS, turns. TO2. PLAY, play. on. THE, the. SWING, swing. The other two boys agreed and they took turns to play on the swing. THEY, they. PLAYED, played. on. THE, the. SWING, swing. FOR, for. ONE, HOUR. They played on the swing for 1 hour. Urdu translation. Jim then said they could play on the swing. उस पर जिम ने कहा वो झूले ले सकते हैं. They would compete with each other. वो एक दूसरे से मुकाबला करेंगे. The other two boys agreed. दूसरे दो लड़के मान गए. And they took turns to play on the swing. और उन्होंने बारी बारी झूले लिए. They played on the swing for 1 hour. वो झूले पर 1 घंटे तक झूलते रहे. Task of the day. Learn these dictation words. PLAY, play. GROUND, ground. Playground. FINISH, finish. SUGG, EST, suggest. AGREE, agree. OTHER, other. RUNNING, running.